Hi everybody, this is Patty from Print and Pixel Studio on Etsy, and this is just kind of a short little video. It's just kind of an update on some Christmas pieces that we have in our shop right now. We've done videos on these before showing you the whole collections, but this is just the tags that we're showing today. We were making them for our own personal use for our Christmas gifts and that kind of thing. And we thought maybe you'd be interested to see what we've done with them and how to decorate some of them. This one is from our Antique French Christmas collection. And I just love these little birds. I think they're so cute. And the frames are really cute and unusual too. And this is one that we did. And I just trimmed it in the glitter, kind of into glitter this year. And this one I didn't back so that you could write a note or whatever you like to do on there. And this stuff is really weird. I have no idea what it really is. It feels almost like plastic bag, but I don't know. I found it at the thrift store for, I think it was 25 cents or something for this roll of it. And I thought, gosh, what would I do with it, you know? But for 25 cents, I thought, well, I'll bring it home and figure it out later. And when I was putting these together, I thought, gee, that really works cool on these. And it does. It really adds a lot of shine, and it's just really unusual. But anyway, these are the tickets that are in our group, and they make super cute gift tags. And then this little guy, super cute. This one I backed with one of our coordinating paper pieces and just inked it a little bit and put on glitter, and it makes a really cute Christmas tag, or it makes a cute piece to add to your Christmas journal as well. Here's another one of them, the little holly. And these all come in different sizes. The tickets don't, of course, they're the one size, but the tags come in small sizes and then in the larger sizes. And this was a little folio piece, but that I turned into a Christmas card. And again, I got into the glitter here and just edged it out in a little bit of glitter just to give it a little bit more shine for the holidays. And this one has a little Christmas saying on the front. And then all these, this is in our Etsy shop, this exact template, so that if you wanted to make these, it's all set up and very easy to do. And then I just added another one of our gift tags here because it's perfect to fit in a little gift card or a little note or something that you might want to, a check, something like that. But it makes a cute Christmas card. And another thing, this little folio would be really cute with some of our other papers that we have in the shop as an added addition to your journal that isn't necessarily Christmas. And the other ones that we wanted to show you today were our tags, our little woodland Christmas people. And we think they're super, super cute. And I turned them into gift tag cards, and just by adding a back piece to it, and all the coordinating paper pieces that you see here are in the kit, but they hold a gift card perfectly. And all I did was line the top half of it with the polka dot, and then this tag, this piece comes as a regular tag, just cut it off here, made the little notch, and then glued it down. Now I will make one suggestion, and I don't have it set up this way in the shop, but from now on I will produce them this way, so in case you wanted to do something like this with some of our future pieces, it'd be easy to do. But here I just cut off, left about, I don't know, 1/4 of an inch or something on here. Because when you don't have this little gusset piece, I'll cut that a little short, but anyway, when you don't have this little gusset piece, the card fits, but it's a little snug. But if you just take and make this little piece, fold the sides in, fold the bottom in, and just run glue along here, and then attach it to the card. It gives you, I think this is the one I did it to, it gives you a much fuller card, and you can see on the inside there how it glues on. So I would suggest doing that if you're going to make these. But you don't have to, because like I say, the card fits in there anyway. But it gives you a little bit more room. But they make really cute little gift tags and a really cute holder for your gift cards. So that was it, just a short little video just to show you what we've done with some of the pieces that are in the shop that you might want to get some inspiration from. So I hope you'll stop by and check us out.